this room. It's a mess. What do you mean? My room is clean. There's just one water bottle on the floor. Exactly. That's why that water bottle makes this room a whole mess. It's just one water bottle. It's not even empty. We're talking back. How outrageous to talk back to your own mother. I'm not even talking back. Hand over the phone. Hand over the phone. Right now. Hand over the phone. What do you mean? Give me the phone like I didn't even do anything.